Now, what can I say? This is pretty annoying because I don't believe you can ask a customer to clean their ears all the time at any given day, at any given moment in the day. Now, check out the stuff accumulating on those earphones. Now, for me personally, this is not a fantastic design. It has bits and bobs which are cool, but you buy them, and within a couple of weeks, you can't hear anything except you have your ears cleaned all the time and use them. Now, this is not just the earwax, but this is dead skin. This is sweat combined with dust. Good luck, guys and girls, for that matter. Now check this out. Now, how gross is that, guys? How gross was that? And this is precisely as bad or even much worse in your car, inside your engine. Now, if you want to keep your baby happy and make sure that this engine is going to last you a long, long time, that's what you have to do. Clean the engine with carbon clean, hydrogen carbon clean. Ask me how you can get 20% off.
And I was a little bit disappointed with that. So it just felt a little bit noisy and no, you know, not going anywhere. But as soon as I had that carbon clean done a month ago on this car, I mean, when it was on the machine, I done an exhaust tune on this a week before that, trying to get, you know, tune the exhaust, get a bit of a better sound out, which I got a really nice sound out, I think. I was going to go stainless steel exhaust, but much prefer the original looking exhaust, so I've done a little custom mod on that. Got the sound right, but halfway through the carbon clean, the sound changed on the motor. It just sounded quieter. You know, top end was definitely quieter, but it just the actual sound of the car, so it just sounded quieter. And I said to the guy that was doing the demo, I said, this sounds a lot quieter. He said, yes, you know, it's how it works. It cleans, you know, it gets to the top of the engine first. This is a petrol. I mean, these things are brilliant on the diesel and DPFs and stuff like that, these carbon clean systems. I was aware of that before, but I wasn't too sure on the petrol. But, you know, yeah, petrol engines, you know, especially 52,000 miles, is going to be heavily coked up. And I jumped in the car after it was finished and took it down the road, and it just getting into it and holding onto the steering wheel and feeding the car, it felt smoother. So just check the timer on this. 15 minutes. Surprised how long half an hour is. I was just putting it on for half an hour because I already gave it an hour. I was gobsmacked with the results. I mean, it just felt like a modern Ferrari, and I've driven many Ferraris in the modern ones, but not the classics. And so I knew the classic ones wouldn't be as, you know, anything like the modern stuff, but it just transformed it. I mean, I've got a lot of fast cars and stuff like that. Obviously, I like fast cars, but it just felt so much quicker. And that's why today I thought I'd get 5 minutes and strap it on and give it another one. I mean, yeah, it can only do it good. I don't know if I would have completely decarboned the engine with the hour that it got, plus most of the time, it's good to hear the fans kicking in. Most of the time the guy was talking, weren't showing me a lot when the first time the demo. Obviously I was asking him a lot of questions. Like mine, I've got a proper clean because there was not a lot of revving and stuff, but like I said, I know it's a massive difference, so I'm running it through the proper procedure now, and I'm going to see the results. I'll try, and I'm not a video guy, as there's not many videos of me stuff on Facebook or Instagram, but because I'm so impressed about this carbon clean stuff, not just because I'm doing it, I'm not trying to sell it here. I already got an up and running business. It's just the results out there. It's just, I can't really understand. The results are so extreme that, you know, it's something I have to do on every car, I think. I mean, it's definitely going to bring the emissions down, but if they recognise that, and I don't know, but all I care is if my car runs smooth, and I know for a fact this is pretty much giving it a total detox right for the whole motor. So I'll try and post up another video on how it drove. I'm on my own